In a major breakthrough, the Mumbai police have successfully cracked the sensational Borivali gold heist case, arresting 3 key masterminds and recovering 12 kilograms of gold worth approximately 12 crore rupees. The operation was led by the MHB police station under Zone 11, with Deputy Commissioner of Police Anand Boyd briefing the media on the dramatic developments. The accused were part of a meticulously planned heist involving the transportation of a large quantity of gold jewelry intended for export. According to DCP Anand Boyd, the gold belonged to a Rajkot-based jewelry company, scheduled to be transported to Bengaluru for commercial sale. However, the consignment never reached its destination. The trail led investigators to Mumbai's Borivali area, where a high-value consignment was intercepted by the accused under the pretense of a logistics operation. What stunned the investigators further was the method of operation. The accused had used a Mahindra Thar SUV, a popular off-road vehicle, to carry out the heist. DCP Boyd even remarked how the Thar has surprisingly become a first-choice vehicle for criminals due to its powerful build and inconspicuous look. The vehicle was found to be modified to create secret compartments to hide the gold. Upon being intercepted by the MHB police team, the suspects tried to evade arrest but were soon caught after a brief chase and surveillance effort. Once in custody, the interrogation revealed that 2 of the arrested individuals were repeat offenders, previously involved in similar crimes in Gujarat and Karnataka. Police confirmed that the accused had established a network to target high-value jewelry consignments, often switching vehicles and identities to avoid detection. Visuals released by the police show officers recovering packets of gold stashed inside the Thar SUV. The seized gold includes intricately crafted ornaments intended for international export. The suspects had planned to offload the gold in Mumbai and launder it through smaller jewelers to avoid raising alarms. DCP Anand Boyd emphasized that this case is a wake-up call for logistics and jewelry companies to implement tighter tracking, vetting, and surveillance measures during high-value transfers. He also appreciated the swift action of the MHB police team in identifying the suspects and recovering the entire stolen consignment. The investigation is still ongoing, and police are on the lookout for possible accomplices or handlers linked to the larger network. Authorities suspect that this may not be an isolated case but part of a broader interstate criminal ring. The success of this operation not only showcases the efficiency of Mumbai police but also sends a strong message to organized crime groups targeting valuable consignments in transit. As the accused await further legal proceedings, the recovered gold has been handed over to its rightful owners, while forensic and financial investigations continue. Stay tuned for